Hi, welcome back. Let's talk about the best tips and tricks to fix QR code scanner not working on iPhone problem. Trying to scan a QR code with your iPhone but nothing happens? Well, whether you are attempting to connect to Wi-Fi, open a website, make a payment, or access important information, a QR code that refuses to scan can be both frustrating and inconvenient. This issue can occur after an iOS update due to incorrect camera settings, poor lighting, a dirty camera lens, software glitches, or even problems with the QR code itself. Thankfully, there are some pretty handy solutions that can let you fix the problem and bring the QR scanner back on track. That said, let's get started. So, first and foremost, make sure to clean your camera lenses with a soft, lint-free cloth to ensure dust or debris doesn't get in the way. After that, make sure there are proper lighting conditions. Otherwise, your iPhone camera will fail to scan the QR code. Then go to the settings app, then choose camera. Then you have to disable the toggle located right next to scan QR codes. After that, you have to restart your iPhone. And once your iPhone has successfully rebooted, try to scan a QR code to find out if the issue is gone. Ensure that the QR code you are trying to scan is not problematic. If the camera fails to scan one QR code, try to scan another one. If you have managed to fix the problem, I would recommend you to update the software as well. To do so, head over to the Settings app, then choose General. After that, choose Software Update. Then you have to go ahead to download and install the latest update on your device, and that's about it. If the problem has been caused by a random software glitch or a hidden bug, it will help you resolve the problem right away. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.